My name is Ahmed, and I just graduated from Oakland University with a Bachelor's of Science in Biomedical Science and a minor in Math. And I did the GLOBE program when I was in high school for about 2.5 years.
Hi, my name is Hussein. I'm a senior at the University of Michigan Dearborn studying biology, and I worked with the GLOBE program for 2.5 years.
Hi everyone, I'm Yara Komeha, and I am a rising junior at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT.
Hi, I'm Farah Sharma. I'm a junior at University of Michigan Ann Arbor, and I did GLOBE doing aerosols research for almost 3 years in high school.
There was a change in the type of nitrogen you put on the farm field in the 90s.
You created that and put it there, because we're both in the same thing.
Yeah, and then the rest of the
Make sure you're looking down to see where the rocks are at. You can see how I just dropped off.
Location for the 2019 Pacific Region U.S. GLOBE Student Research Symposium. 71 students and 13 GLOBE teachers from California and Hawaii gathered to present a total of 26 GLOBE research projects in a poster presentation session. Student projects were reviewed by their peers and by scientists from NASA Jet Propulsion Lab, NASA Ames, WestEd, and Chabot Space and Science Center.
Different they are from each other, and you can see in March it has the highest point, which is...
Scientists from NASA enjoyed interacting and discussing posters with the student teams, and the students were thrilled to present their projects to these VIPs.
This is what makes it all worthwhile.